There is a specific type of person who buys a $1,200 belt with a massive gold G on the front, and it's almost never a billionaire. In the world of the 0.1%, loud logos aren't a sign of wealth. They're a sign of new money, or, even worse, the aspirationals. People who are spending their last paycheck to look like they have $1 million. But the people who actually have the billion? They wearing a $600 plain cotton t-shirt that looks like it's from a department store, but feels like a cloud. Today, we're decoding this silent language of the elite. We're exploring why the truly wealthy have abandoned logos, the psychology of stealth wealth, and the hidden reason why looking boring is the ultimate power move. To understand why billionaires don't wear Gucci, you have to understand who Gucci is actually for. It's for the aspirational class. For people climbing the social ladder, logos act as a shortcut. It says, "I have arrived." But here is the paradox. Once a logo becomes accessible to the middle class through credit card debt or 12-month financing, it loses its value to the elite. Luxury is defined by exclusivity. If everyone can buy the logo is no longer luxury. This is why you've seen a shift towards stealth wealth. Brands like Loro Piana, Brunello Cucinelli, and the Row have no visible branding. If you can recognize the brand from 50 feet away, it's a marketing tool. If you can only recognize the brand by touching the fabric, it's a status symbol. Why would someone pay 100 times the price for something that looks the same? Because they aren't performing for you. Billionaires dress for other billionaires. It's a secret handshake. They use textures, cuts, and specific shades of grayish or navy that signal quality only to those who already know what to look for. It's about in-group signaling. If you're realizing that the luxury we see on Instagram is actually a marketing trap, you're already ahead of 90% of the population. We decode the hidden systems of the elite every single week. If you want to join the 1% who actually understand how money and status work, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. It's the only way to ensure the algorithm keeps showing you the wealth code instead of just more ads. But there's a deeper reason for the billionaire uniform. It's about brain power. A CEO makes thousands of high-stakes decisions a day. Choosing a tie shouldn't be one of them. By outsourcing their fashion to a uniform, they preserve mental energy for the things that actually make them billions. Furthermore, when you are the most powerful person in the room, you don't need to dress up. Being the only person in a hoodie in a room full of suits is the ultimate flex. It says, "I am the only one here who doesn't have to impress anyone." You don't need $1 billion to stop falling for the logo trap. Here is how the smart money builds a wardrobe. First, prioritize fabric over brand. Natural fibers, wool, silk, linen, always look more expensive than polyester. Second, the tailoring secret. $50 shirt tailored to your body looks better than a $500 shirt that fits poorly. Third, stick to old money neutrals, navy, charcoal, and cream. These colors mix and match effortlessly. True luxury isn't about being noticed. It's about being remembered for your impact. Once you have everything, the only thing left to prove is that you have nothing to prove. For more deep dives into the psychology of the ultra-rich, from the Birkin bag conspiracy to the billionaire bunkers, make sure you've subscribed. Don't miss our next upload. It might just change the way you look at the world. I'm the Catalyst, and this is the Wealth Code. I'll see you in the next one.